Okay, so just we are waiting some 1 or 2 minutes for joining all of the participants, then we will start. Okay, we are waiting.
Sir,
Sir,
you
you
will
will
provide
provide
recordings
recordings
after
after.
each
So yeah,
meeting
yeah, you can
or
also get the recorded video class. After completing that, you also get the recorded session also.
okay, sir.
Okay, so now we will start our today's session. So hello everyone, welcome to the 7 days online training for beginners to advanced level. So basically, in this online training program, we are focusing only for the beginners who don't have any knowledge about that Google Earth Engine platform or programming such as Python, JavaScript, totally zero knowledge all of the sector. So I hope after completing this total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any types of remote license work using the Google Earth Engine platform very quickly and efficiently. Okay, and you already registered our institution for doing this online training program, so that's why you are also get the lifetime teaching support. Okay, so not only finish for the 7 days, after completing the 7 days, when you face any problem regarding any issue about that Google Earth Engine platform or also any issue about that remote sensing work, then you can easily get the support from us. Okay, so basically today is our first day. So in first day, so mainly we try to discuss about that all of the basic things. So first of all, I will try to discuss about that our course module. Okay, so after completing the total 7 days, what you will learn from me. So all of those course content and course module I try to discuss and also show you. So let's go. I simply share my screen. Okay, so now can you see my screen? Is it visible? Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, so we'll start. So basically, this online training program in Google Earth Engine platform, we just focus only for the beginners who don't have any knowledge about this platform or who don't have any knowledge about the JavaScript programming or Python programming. So totally zero knowledge about that. And after completing this online training program, you can easily do any types of remote license work using this platform. So mainly we covered the land use land cover mapping, land use land cover change detection, air quality monitoring, then also time series analysis, calculating any indices, supervised classification using the different types of machine learning such as random forest classification, regression trees, or other types of algorithm how we can easily implement. Okay. So basically these are course content you can see. So first of all, we try to discuss about that Google Earth Engine introduction. In this part, we try to discuss about that how Google Earth Engine work, then what's the tools you need to learn when you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. Then we also try to discuss about the JavaScript programming language from A to Z. So as the beginners who don't have any knowledge about that programming language, so that's why first of all I will teach the JavaScript programming. Okay. Then I also try to teach you how you can easily connect the JavaScript programming with Google Earth Engine platform and write your code. Okay, so as a beginners who don't have any knowledge about that JavaScript programming or Python programming, don't worry for that. This because we also try to cover the part for the programming language part. Okay, then we also try to discuss about that Google Earth Engine server language A to Z, all of the server language in Google Earth Engine platform and how it will be work. So all of the things we try to discuss. Mainly Google Earth Engine is a totally server based platform, so that's why you also need to know about that server language. Okay, so we also try to discuss later all of the things details. Then filtering and displaying the raster and vector data, how you can easily filtering the raster and vector data. So a lot of raster data, a lot of vector data we can easily access from the Google Earth Engine platform. Landsat, Sentinel, Modis, or other types of satellite imagery we can easily access from the Google Earth Engine platform. So how we can easily filtering and displaying the data from that. Then how you can easily importing the raster and vector data in Google Earth Engine platform. So mainly when you want to work with, suppose you want to work for the high resolution satellite imagery such as sport satellite imagery, you simply import this type of satellite imagery in Google Earth Engine platform and also work with that. Okay. Then how you can easily calculating with images or raster calculation and calculated the different types of indices such as NDVI, NDWI, EVI or any other indices. How you can easily calculate it, we try to discuss. And then introduction about the image classification. How can you easily do for the image classification, mainly land cover and land use classification using the different types of machine learning method using this platform. Then cropland classification, how we can easily do using the different types of machine learning method. Then finally, how we can easily exporting the raster and vector data. Suppose you want to make the crop classification map. So now you want to export the data and you want to make the map using the ArcMap software or QGIS software for your research paper or also your presentation work. Okay, so this type of work I also try to show you that. And how to make the map in ArcGIS software, mainly ArcMap tool, how you can easily use that and also make the quality full or research paper map, how you can easily create. We also try to discuss about that. And then we also try to discuss about the time series analysis. So different types of indices, NDVI, NDWI, or other types of indices, how we can easily make the time series analysis for the temporal changes, how can easily do that. Okay, we also try to discuss about the spectral indices and develop the skill for calculating any index such as NDVI, NDWI, NDSI, MNDWI, MASAVI. So all of those index, how you can easily calculate it in Google Earth Engine platform, we also try to discuss. And then how to remove the cloud from the satellite images. So mainly when you want to work with the rainy season satellite image or wet season satellite image, then we find out the lot of cloud pixel on those satellite images. Okay, in Google Earth Engine platform, some has some new function or some new tools. Then when use this tool, automatically remove all of those cloud from the satellite images, we can get the very clear satellite images. Then you also try to discuss about that how to monitor the surface water different time periods such as rainy season and dry season. What is the condition of the surface water of Dhaka city or any region? How can you easily monitor how many water increasing in the rainy season, how many water decreasing in the rainy season. So this type of analysis, how can you easily also try to discuss about that. Then visualization the DEM data or digital elevation model data, and using this DEM data, how we can easily create the hill shape map, salt map, and aspect map. Okay. Then how to make the NDVI chart over a period of time. How to make an NDVI chart over a period of time. Mainly agricultural land, you want to identify for the different time period what is the condition of the NDVI on this agricultural land. With this type of analysis we try to discuss. We also try to discuss about the air quality monitoring. Okay, such as how can easily make the air quality monitoring and also make the concentration map such as ozone, methane, formaldehyde, aerosol, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, this type of gases, how we can easily make the concentration map for any region, as well as how we can easily make the time series data, how you can easily download the different types of air quality parameters as a CSV file. Suppose you want to download the time series data in a Excel file or CSV file from the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, we also try to discuss about that. And how to make the land use land cover accuracy. After making this land use land cover classification map, we also need to check the accuracy for this map. So for that, we also try to use here the kappa accuracy, how you can easily calculate it using the Google Earth Engine platform, overall accuracy, then producer accuracy or consumer accuracy. So this type of statistical part, how we can easily calculate it in Google Earth Engine platform, we also try to discuss. And then monitor the land surface temperature using the Landsat imagery as well also MODIS satellite imagery. And as well as also make the time series chart about that for changing the temporal changes about this. Okay, and how to calculate it, the average, minimum, maximum pixel value using the Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose in Dhaka city you want to calculate it, what is the maximum NDVI value in Dhaka city, what is the average maximum average NDVI value or minimum NDVI value. So n types of pixel value for the average, maximum, minimum, how you can easily calculate this part, we also try to discuss about that. And now how to calculate it, the classified area. Suppose you want to make the any classification. Suppose you want to classify the build-up area, then vegetation, then also barren land or cropland. Now you want to calculate it, how much area is available for any specific region, how much area is available. You want to calculate that. Okay. So this type of analysis we can easily do using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. So can you hear me? Okay. Can you hear me? I think some networking issue I face.
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So after that, we can also try to calculate this all of those classified area using the Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to make the single class map. Sometime when you want to work with the urban expansion, then we need to the urban map. Suppose you want to need only for the, you want to identify the water body, then we need to make the map for the water body. Okay, so this type of single class map, how it can easily create it. We also try to discuss about that, as well as finally how you can easily add the legend title on your Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose you want to make the map on Google Earth Engine platform, so now you want to add here the title on this map, also legend, also other basic element of the map you want to calculate. So this type of analysis we also try to discuss. Okay, so this is our full course content. We try to complete all of those things from beginners to advanced level. So anyone who don't have any knowledge about the programming language, so don't worry for that. So as a beginners, anyone can easily learn all of the things from hand. And you can also get the some benefits. So you can all, after completing the 7 days, I also provide you some project work regarding your assignment. When you can submit that, you also get the certificate, e-certificate mainly that. And also get the material. Suppose in this time, which slide I want to use in here. So all of the slide you can easily get, as well as you can also get the all of the PDF, or you can also get the some reference book about that. You can also get the practice code. Okay, so basically which code I want to write in here, all of those code you can easily get. And also get the recorded video class for lifetime access. You can get all of those recorded video class, as well as you can also get the lifetime teaching support. Not only after completing the total 7 days, after that when you face any problem regarding any issue about that Google Earth Engine platform, then you can easily get the support. Okay, so let's go over today's class.